All right, so let's align on a reference architecture. So let's take a look at the activities that take place across this reference architecture. The first one is that data is created in upstream applications, websites, and tools. The second one is that raw data from those apps gets landed in what we call the land zone, and it begins to be cleaned and processed and ultimately into a structured zone. Structured zone is the single source of truth in a lakehouse model. It's where clean data exists and where data scientists can go for the complete data set. The structured zone is also where views start to be created in order to fulfill a number of different analytical use cases and reporting use cases for data consumers. And then finally, dashboards and analyses are connected to a view in order to efficiently run that report.